Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chinaza Assumpta and I'm new on this platform, guys. Actually, this is my first video. I'm a new creator and hoping for the best, not just for me but you guys out there. So I plead and I urge each and every one of you to support me by clicking on the subscribe button, liking, commenting, and also share my videos, okay? Help me to grow. Thank you. Um, at this moment, I will be teaching you guys a very simple tutorial for my viewers out there that are finding it difficult to, you know, work on this. So if you come across this video, I plead and urge you to hold on, stay still, and enjoy this video. I believe you'll learn a lot from it. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to create a TikTok account. If you're a new TikToker or you're just new to social media and you don't know how to create a TikTok account, this is the right video for you. I will teach you step-by-step tutorial on how to create a TikTok account. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So I will be sharing a screen record to the screen, teaching you guys what you need to do, the step-by-step tutorials, okay? So here I will teach you how to set up your profile on TikTok. Immediately after downloading your TikTok app on Play Store or Apple Store, type install and wait for it to download. After it has finished downloading, open the app to bring you to this For You page. Open the app, click on this profile icon here. Click on this profile icon here. I don't know if you guys can see it. So when you click on it, it will bring you to this particular page, your profile page, where you set up your profile. So immediately it will bring you up to this setup page. If you don't have account, you click on sign up. If you do, you log into your account. So click on this sign up. Immediately you click on this sign up, it will bring you to another page. Let's wait for it to load. So it's load, I guess, network. Okay, here it is. So here you have options to sign up. Either you want to sign up with your phone number, or you want to sign up with your email or Facebook or Google. Any method you want to use is perfectly okay. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna use the option of email. Okay, I'll click on this continue with email. It will bring you up to this page where you have to input your email address. Make sure you have a Gmail address, okay? So immediately you input your email address. If you don't have an email address, open one. If you want me to create a tutorial on how to create a Gmail address, please type it on the comment section saying create a tutorial on email address. Okay, so here we are waiting for it to load. After it just brought this puzzle page. It just for security reason where you have to drag the puzzle to the box. So that's it. After dragging, it will load. You create your password. Make sure your password is something strong that nobody can be able to guess the password, and also a password that you'll be able to remember. Okay, so the password must have at least 8 characters, one letter, number, and one special character rather. So just like I said, make sure your password is strong and something you can be able to remember. So when you are done inputting your password, you click on continue. So it will bring up this birthday page where you have to set up your birthday. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just using a random birthday. Okay. So set up your birth date, whatever year, month, and day you were born. You set it up. For the month, you set whatever month you were born and the year as well. When you are done, you click on next. You click on next, immediately you are done filling in your birthday. It will load and bring you up to this page where you input your nickname. Whatever nickname you want to bear on TikTok, whatever nickname you have in mind, you just type it in. So I use princess as a nickname to this page, but here it was saying slow down, you are editing too fast. Still on saying slow down, you're editing too fast. I have to wait for a few seconds before clicking on the continue. So after waiting for a few seconds, I have to, impute another name, still saying the same thing. So I couldn't wait. I have to skip. I have to click on skip. But for you, if it's showing the same thing, you just have to count down and make sure you create your nickname. It's very important. If you don't create your nickname and you skip, TikTok will just give you a random name. So I have to skip on it, but the account has been created. Congratulations, you have just created your TikTok account. So on my next video, I'll teach you how to set up profile, set up your TikTok profile picture, how to upload videos, and that's it. And the rest of it. You have just created yourself a TikTok account. If you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, hit on the subscribe button, and also comment in case you have any questions. Thank you once again for staying tuned to the end of this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.